How to hide chat history in group on Skype mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to hide chat history in group on Skype mobile. First thing you're gonna do is go to Skype and then click here any group you want like this one, and then click on the top corner here and then go down and you will find this one here, chat history. Click on it and as you see, uh, chat history has been hidden, and that's how to hide chat history on group in group on Skype mobile. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.